Hello, I am the math lobster. I'm also a decapod crustacean. What does that mean? Decapod means I have 5 pairs of appendages, or 5 times 2 is 10 appendages for walking. How many do you have? We're going to determine if a whole number is a prime number or a composite. A prime number only has the whole number factors of 1 and itself. For example, the smallest prime number is 2. It has 1 and 2 as factors. We're going to determine if these numbers are prime numbers or composite numbers. Composite numbers have other factors besides 1 and themselves. Well, 15 is easy because we know that any number that ends in a 5 is divisible by 5. So its factors are 5 and 3, besides 1 and 15. 13, well, it doesn't end in a 5, it doesn't end in a 2, 4, 6, or 8, or 0, so it doesn't have a factor of 2 or 5. 1 and 3 is 4, that's not divisible by 3. So we'll have to keep trying. Well, 6 has a factor of 3, so it can't be that. 7, no. 8 is an even number. 9 is divisible by 3, so no. 10 is divisible by 5, no. 11, no. 12. So 13, this is a prime number because its only 2 factors are 1 and 13. How about 51? You might think it's a prime number, but let's look. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So that means 51 is divisible by 3. Let's see. 3 into 51. 3 into 5 goes once. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract. Bring down the 1. 3 goes into 21. Oh, 7. So it has factors of 3 and 17 besides 1 and 51. How about 91? Well, 9 and 1 is 10, so it isn't a factor of 3. It's not divisible by 2 because it doesn't end in a 2, 4, 6, or 8, or a 0. It's not divisible by 5. But let's just try something. 3 times some number ends in a 1. 3 times 7 is 21. So let's see if 7 times 13 works. 7 times 13. 7 times 3 is 21. Regroup. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So 7 and 13 are factors of 91. So sometimes it's easy to find the factors, and sometimes it's more difficult. I want to remind you, a composite number has factors other than itself in 1. This is composite, this is composite, this is composite. And a prime number has whole number factors of only itself and 1. Why do I know this? I am the math lobster, also known as the decapod crustacean.